The Cairo Mamelodi Sundowns feature Mamelodi Sundowns versus the Pyramids, and the score right now is 1-0. Pyramids is leading in a game where Mamelodi Sundowns we thought are the one who are going to come up front. It's unfortunate that you go to halftime and Sundowns is trailing behind.
Yeah, very sad day, but we're still halfway. I believe if the attitude can change, I think we can be able to take this game to these guys. We just need someone who's going to be confident enough to try and transmit the ball from immediately, because we seem to be playing long balls and Reyners is isolated there. Even if he gets the ball, the guys take a long time to come and assist him, and you find that when they come, the Pyramids guys have recovered and it's not easy to break them down. So we will need a ball carrier, more like Ribeiro. Maybe I can put Tembazwan in place of Matthews immediately, maybe 55 minutes, make that substitution. You try and make sure that you put more balls into the box. This thing of Umtiba yokufuna ukuseloka edlala amabhola amancane la esayidini esimoshela ibhola, just cross the ball. If you want to come, okay, fine, we'll try and recover, but make sure that we maximize our box entries as much as we can, because they are nervous as you are.
Yeah, but then it's not a time to be blaming each other, but I want to highlight the error there from Ukran Kekan, because we see this goal, Aisha Maela, the ball is coming to Ukran Kekan, and instead of clearing the ball, I'm not sure whether he wanted to trap the ball first or what, but then it's landed on Maela and perfectly assisted, and then he managed to put it behind the net.
Yeah, crazy, if I can say it. Yeah. We don't expect such performance from a center back like Kekan at this bigger stage. I'm very disappointed.
And then Maela, we are seconds. Matthews, we are seconds into the halftime. You get a clear-cut opportunity, but he fails to score.
Yeah, those moments, very few moments where you are able to get into the box and be in a good space to get the advantage. I think the guys should know better now. You can't be missing such opportunity. It's a good save from the goalkeeper, but I believe Matthews had more space to try and check because the goalkeeper bese committed. Remember, the ball keeper ulivimba ngomlenze on the other side, meaning if Matthews ayinikezwe isikhathi esiningi on the ball, vele ama defender kude laphana, anyone umthinta kuzoba foul, and uyambona goalkeeper ulele, he can still go around him or try to chip the ball. He had more options, but unfortunately the moment was not good on him.
At this point, that's a Matem?
Very much. This is Sundowns.
Well, it's just about it, Sandawana. The score right now is 1-0. It's a final CAF Champions League. Egypt, Cairo. The stadium is fuming, it's fully packed, but but we had hope that Mamelodi Sundowns is here to win this one. But
no, yazi into engiyibheka lana from egemini from the first half. Then si mixe amalela amathuba nje ambalwa, but igame ayikho ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi thina ngeke siwin igame, but ikusela nje izinto ezinguquko ezincane efanele ngabe zenzeka. But uma nje ungasicoach wethu la mhlambe astrophele askiphele uMetusi, then esayidini lakhe bese faka umrena, then bese kuzophinda futhi ede akhiphe uAdams afake uZwana, then igame sizokwazi ukuthi sibambe igame njengamanje, even nombona iball position, then siphezulu and yonke into sabat elama mistake nje esiwenzile amancane emumva agcine sesiconsider goal, kodwa second half nginaleli themba lokuthi singakwazi ukuthi sibuye siwine le game le.
You speak about Matthews, and then he just missed a very, very crucial opportunity for Mamelodi Sundowns to take a draw to half time, yes. But he couldn't be able to put it behind the net.
Yeah, but the problem engiyibonileyo lapha, then ube umuntu or then ohambe then kufanele mhlambe lapha akwazi ushawe ushawe nje isipiliyoni into endlela engibuye ngayo, ngoba ube mhlambe bekumdlali onjengala njenga uRibelo noma umuntu onjengoshalulile bengalishaya la goal but ushawa isipiliyoni waba novalo then washaya ngakafanele ukuthi ngabe uyashaya but nginaleli ithemba nje lokuthi if mangase buye laba bantu laba engikhuluma ngabo singakwazi sibuye esikali futhi igame singayiwina ngo-2-1.
So unalo ithemba lokuthi iyabuyisa South Africa?
No, iyabuyisa South Africa nje only izinto eziwu-3 efanele tshintshe fanele besibuyisele uzwane bengenise uzwane bekhiphe u-Adams njengamanje but egemini akekho kahle then naye uMantus uyobe ethole leli chance leyitholile akekho egemini then bese ngale esayitini bese sikwazi ukufakela umrene masingenela abantu laba bawu-2 sizobe sesi-right then umgadli wethu lona okhona njengamanje bengadingakala ukuthi mamkhiphe uReyners bedingakala ukuthi a-ede uShalulile ngoba akavelela abantu indlela edlala ngabo bangabantu abasidefendayo so masithola abagadli abayi-2 sigadla ngabo bobabili definitely sure singawasha amagoli amabili siwina.
Well, all the best Sandawana. Sandawana, at least you're still stylish. Ibukeka uphuma. The score is 1-0. Pyramids is leading. It's half time. We thought ukuthi uzoyidlela amahlahla namhlanje but it doesn't look like that.
Yeah, when I first ngasho ngithi first half okay we made a silly mistake.
Sure.
A silly mistake from Grant. He should have cleared the ball. Not away ukuthi Mayelo said to us okay it's fine. We can regroup. First half yeah. Second half we take a game siyabuya nendebe.
If you are given an opportunity to substitute someone from judging from this first half, who would you take out and why?
Yeah, for now when I Sky labafana ngathi coach abayinima instructions maybe 10-15 minutes sibone ukuthi benze njani. Then second half maybe we can take out to Matthews for Uthembazwane and then sibone ukuthi game ihamba kanjani.
Okay. So as things are right now, Pyramids is taking it. Unless otherwise Mamelodi Sundowns score minutes to get a throw and then we go on penalties. So do you have any hopes ukuthi le ndebe isabuyise South Africa?
Definitely bafo. Indebe yabuyiza ekhaya. Lokho angidoubt. Angifuni sibe ne pressure yokuthi siyadliwa. We can score one goal. We can go to penalties. Williams uzoswinela indebe. So we mustn't panic. We've got my players who can take penalties if it's difficult to go to toilet.
You want penalties?
If the game says so, we get one goal and then we push for the second one. But if it doesn't come, we can rely on Williams. We've got my players who can take penalties. Then Williams was winning in there.
We've got Amasandawana all around here and they are crying. What would you say to them to just give them that motivation?
We must be patient. This cup final, it came like after so long. So we also need to be patient for the last 45 minutes. For the all South Africans, we should be patient. The cup is coming home. Definitely for sure. It's a second star.
All right, all the best. All right.